Hello! In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the issue where your Windows 11 is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet but shows no internet access. This is a common network bug, but it can be solved with a few simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Method 1. Reset network adapter. The first and easiest step is to refresh your network connection manually. Press the Windows key plus R, type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your active network adapter, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. This forces Windows to re-establish the connection with your router and often fixes temporary glitches. Method 2. Use Google DNS servers. Sometimes your ISP's DNS servers can fail. Switching to Google is a more reliable option. In the same Network Connections window, right-click your adapter and go to Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and select Use the following DNS server addresses and type Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK and see if your internet access returns. Method 3. Flush DNS and reset TCP/IP. If the previous steps didn't work, we need to clear the network cache and reset the communication protocols. Type CMD in the search bar and run as administrator. Type the following commands one by one, hitting Enter after each. ipconfig/flushdns, netsh winsock reset, netsh int IP reset. After running these, you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Method 4. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a major cause of connection issues. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Find your wireless or LAN card, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows doesn't find any, you can select Uninstall Device and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver on reboot. Method 5. Perform a network reset. If nothing else worked, this is the nuclear option that restores all network settings to their factory defaults. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet, then scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Look for Network Reset and click the Reset Now button. Your PC will restart automatically in 5 minutes. Note that you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords after this process. These 5 methods solve almost every no internet issue in Windows 11. Leave a comment below telling me which one worked for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.